What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to this multi-time frame forecast. We're going to be going over gold over the US dollar. And for this particular video, we already marked it up in the past. So if you don't know why we marked it up the way we did, please go check out that video and it'll better explain it. But just real quickly, we just found some structure on the monthly time frame, the previous all-time high. And we were looking at a retracement of this previous leg on the weekly time frame. And that was a 38%, which was also aligning with the structure, and our take profit was going to just be an extension of this current leg that was forming. Now, we were actually trading up this trend for the last couple of months prior to it hitting above this threshold, and from there we were just waiting for a potential retracement so that we can buy it again, because we do have a lot of bullish momentum, and with that it's likely that we would see a retracement and a move upward. And I can see with the candles down here that we do actually start seeing some of those reversal signals. We had this indecisive teaser pop followed by another one with a stronger wick, so that's showing us that we're getting greater bullish momentum, and that's just telling us that there's interest for it to continue going upward. So let's go down to the lower time frames real quick, see if we could identify and spot anything interesting going on here. So nothing really interesting going on here. Let's see. So we did have like a little pattern that was forming that already completed and closed. Basically, we hit this area of support now, and we're testing it once more as support. So we came down here, and now we're testing it as support. So we tested once, and then we confirmed it here with this other wick. So let's go down to the daily real quick and see if we notice anything else. So like I said, we have that support, and if actually we bring it back a little bit further, let's go down to the daily again. We could see that it actually was support on 4 occasions. So now we are looking for an opportunity to buy. So just real quick, I want to give you an idea of how many pips are in between this other stop. So it says 431 pips. So it's a significant drop. Thing is, with gold, it moves. When it moves a lot. Look at this candle right here, for example. So basically, we're going to be looking at a buying opportunity at the moment, and we'll just put on our handy dandy script. You can see we're still in a bearish environment, so we want to wait until we get some confirmations, but we see that the EMAs are moving forward. We already broke structure on the higher highs, so we should be getting in the next couple of hours a signal for us to buy. So basically what we're going to be looking at is buying right here. Oops, let's try that again. It's too fine. Damn, girl, you fine. So you can see we're already testing this area of structure as support now. So basically we're getting in the position where we're ready to buy. Let's put up a limit around the 180, sorry, the 1881. Let's say 1881.50. We can do put that, let's put a limit there. So let's come back up. Let's take out this, our handy dandy script that we created for you guys. Let's move this bad boy up here, and then we can actually move our stop loss a little bit higher as well. So it's still move it up higher. Technically, we could put our stop loss below this area of structure right here, but just to be conservative, we're going to give it a little bit more breathing room because we still are above that 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. However, we are likely to see some resistance right here. So when you guys see it on the 4-hour, you guys could just move it up here. So let's just do that right now. This is going to be a shorter term trade, and we'll do 2 different areas. So 1 to 3, and then we'll do a 1 to 6. So for this one, what you're going to do is dynamically move your stop loss and take profits so that you are scraping away as many pips as possible while still staying safe. So once you can, obviously in 4-hour time frame, move it to break even, but more importantly, dynamically move your stop loss so that you can scrape away as many pips as possible. That's the great thing about trading like this with this type of strategy, this type of style, is you're able to scrape away the pips as they come. So if you're going with the trend, it's always good to use trailing stops, either automatically or dynamically manually. Anyways, this is gold, guys. Last week we did 340 pips. The week prior, close to 400. Last month we did 5,000 pips. It's a good month for us. So if you guys are interested in learning on how to analyze the charts, how to get all the same pips that we're doing, if you're on a time constraint because you have work or you're learning along the way, feel free to message us. We'll be more than happy to assist you on teaching you and showing you how to get pips as you're learning or if you're on a time constraint. This is Gold, guys. We're about to execute, just waiting for a couple of hours, putting up a limit and a confirmation, and we're ready to rock and roll. See you guys in the next video. Bye.